Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about algorithm. Algorithm is step-by-step instruction for problem solving method that is easy to understand. Algorithm plays an important role in daily life routine. If you follow the step-by-step instructions properly, it will give you your desired result. Now we are taking an example to call someone. We must follow the following steps. For example, first of all, you will, in the step 1, you will switch on your phone, then dial the number, wait for the bell. If target receive your call, you will talk. Otherwise, you will disconnect your call. And then the last step, that will be stop in algorithm. So if you will ignore one step even, then you will not receive your required result. In daily life routine, there are many other examples. For example, making tea, cooking dishes, or any other mathematical problem. So, algorithm means method, procedure, technique, or plan. So, algorithm plays an important role in computer programming. जब कभी हम कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग करते हैं तो उसमें फर्स्ट स्टेप हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग का होता है और सेकंड एल्गोरिदम का. वो ये यूज़र फ्रेंडली लैंग्वेज में लिखा जाता है. कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग एन एल्गोरिदम एंड कोडिंग इट इन अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. और किसी भी प्रोग्राम की एफिशिएंसी को देखने के लिए हम उसकी स्पीड को चेक करते हैं और उसकी complexity को चेक करते हैं और उसकी मेमोरी को चेक करते हैं. अब you can see that time, memory and storage space, three are the important features of your algorithm. Other than these, you can see that how fast a problem can be solved depend on the efficient algorithm. जितना efficient algorithm होगा आपकी problem solving उतनी ही fast होगी. Analyzing the efficiency of algorithm means that comparing efficiency of different method of solution and problem. Now, rules to remember how to write the algorithm. Step number 1, you will always write start here. The first step is your start. The second one is end, stop, or print. This is not the second step. This is basically the second rule to remember, and it's your last step. Then whenever you will take the number from the keyboard, you will say that this is the input. The constant value will not be entered in the input. For example, you will assume the variables, that is a or b or any variable you will write in it. कि जब भी कोई डाटा आप इनपुट करते हैं तो उसके लिए अगर वो न्यूमेरिकल डाटा है तो आप ए और बी को एज्यूम करते हैं, और ये इनपुट डाटा वो होता है जो आप जिस पर अपना प्रोसेसिंग करना चाहते हैं. Now the next step that is processing. Processing may be the formula you are applying or the task which is given in the program in your question. For example, if you are going to find the sum of two numbers, that is a and b, so that is sum is equal to a plus b. तो a प्लस b में आपकी प्रोसेसिंग जो हो रही है वो आपका ये ऑपरेटर शो कर रहा है, दैट इज प्लस. तो यू आर फाइंडिंग द सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स. Definitely your last step will be stop. So these are the rules. Finite numbers of instruction or steps must be given in your algorithm. Then multiple time instruction or repetition of same instruction. For example, you are taking two numbers as a input a and b, and you will not repeat it again and again. The next one, that is analyzing components or time and space, and then assign values. You can assign the value that is sum is equal to a plus b. So these are the few of the rules which are given in this slide. So some points to remember, that as finiteness, preciously defined, input, output, effectiveness, and unambiguous. Here is the problem number 1. That is, you are going to write the algorithm for finding the sum, product, and average of 5 given numbers. For this purpose, you must write planning the solution. That is, आप सबसे पहले input करेंगे, एंड इनपुट में आपको आपके क्वेश्चन के अंदर जो 5 है वो दिया हुआ है, दैट आर 5 नंबर्स दैट आर गिवन इन इट, तो ये हमारा इनपुट हो जाएगा। आउटपुट जो है वो आपको दिया हुआ है टू फाइंड, जिस चीज़ को हम फाइंड करते हैं वो आपके पास आउटपुट में आ जाएगा। और प्रोसेसिंग इज बेसिकली the operations you are applying for the sum, product and average. Now we are going to write the algorithm. For this purpose, we will write the step 1, that is start. Let the 5 numbers be A, B, C, D and E. These are the inputs. You can see that 5 inputs are given in the algorithm question. So you will write, we are going to assume the variables for it, that is A, B, C, D and E. The step 2, find the sum, that is sum is equal to sum of 3 variables. Then step 3, find the product of 5 numbers. Then step 4, find the average of, average is basically the sum of all numbers divided by total number of numbers. So you are going to find average, you will write just sum, you are not repeating A plus B plus C plus D plus E here, you just write the sum here, you have already found in the step 2. So you will write here sum divided by 5. This will give you the result of average in a step 4. And step 5 is print or output. You can write the word print here, output, or you can write the word print. This will print you sum, product and average, and then stop. This is the algorithm how to find the sum and average and product of 5 numbers.